Hey guys, Kevin O'Gara here. I'm a blogger and designer from Atlanta, Georgia, and I'm excited to show you a do-it-yourself kitchen baking station. For this project, I'm taking a Style Well kitchen cart, which is super versatile, and personalizing the piece a little bit with color and hardware, and then adding functionality with shelves and lighting. This piece is great because it can serve as a kitchen island in a small kitchen, move around the kitchen as a storage cart, or act as extra counter space at the end of your existing island. I've left the hardware off, but otherwise it's completely assembled. And what I'm going to do is personalize it with a paint color and then add gold hardware to really change the piece up and add extra style. I love this kitchen cart because it has 2 drawers and then big cabinets underneath for lots of storage space. I'm going to be adding floating shelves above this cart to add more storage to the area and also provide a place for easy to grab ingredients or cups, utensils, or plates that you use often. I'm also going to add this gold sconce to the wall that matches the hardware that's going to give task lighting to the space and make it even more functional. All the supplies for this project can be found at your local Home Depot store or online for home delivery. For this project, you'll need brass poles, an articulating sconce, white floating shelves, a Style Well kitchen cart, and Behr's perennial green paint in a semi-gloss finish. I used a small roller and a paintbrush for this project. Because this piece already has a pretty smooth finish to begin with, you'll need several coats of paint to give it really nice full coverage. I'm using a combination of a brush and a roller to cover it really quickly so that I can get the detail with the brush and then cover the large flat areas with the roller. While the first coat of paint on this cart dries, I'm going to go ahead and put up the floating shelves on the wall. Now these floating shelves come with a really nice guide to help place your holes for the bracket. And I'm going to make sure this middle hole is in the center of this wall. And then I want to check to make sure that it's nice and level. I'm going to place these shelves about 14 inches apart so that there's plenty of room to put storage containers on the shelves. Now for the wall sconce, I'm going to put it another 14 inches above this top shelf and just mark on the wall where the 2 screws need to go and make sure that it's centered on these shelves and in the center of this wall. So you want to adjust your sconce so that it points a little bit towards the wall so that when you're standing underneath it, it doesn't shine directly into your eyes. To make the cord go straight down into the sconce, I placed a small U-hook to keep it straight against the wall, then the cord can come to the left and down. Now that the green paint is curing, I'm going to add the new gold hardware. And the size that fits this storage cart is 96mm hardware. So I found this pretty gold hardware that I'm going to swap out with the hardware that came with the kit and add a little bit more personality to the piece. I absolutely love the gold against this bright green. This baking station is actually for someone who does a lot of pottery, so I added in a couple of their own pieces, like this vase to hold utensils and this pretty bowl that brings in that green from the cabinetry up to the shelving. I really love how you can add pops of color and more style on the floating shelves, and the hints of gold throughout all of the accessories helps tie together the beautiful new hardware and just bring the whole look together. Thanks so much for watching this project. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope it inspires you to create a stylish and functional little baking station or kitchen island or workstation in your own kitchen. You can order all the tools and supplies for this project on homedepot.com, so you can order everything and build it at home.